Is ZipPay basically PayPal? Let's settle the score. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of online transactions, specifically those handy buy now pay later services. We've all been there, right? Staring at a dream gadget or that perfect outfit, but your wallet's saying hold on a sec. That's where these services come in, promising a smoother path to checkout bliss. But with so many options out there, it's easy to get confused. Enter ZipPay and PayPal. Two big names, but are they the same thing under the hood? Let's peel back the layers and find out. First up, a quick reality check. No, ZipPay and PayPal aren't identical twins. Think of them as more like cousins with some key differences. PayPal's a digital wallet powerhouse. You can store your credit cards, debit cards, bank accounts, all in one place. It's like your virtual clutch, ready to pay for online purchases or even send and receive money from friends. ZipPay, on the other hand, focuses on that buy now pay later game. They give you a credit limit, so you can split your purchases into installments. Think of it as a short-term loan for your online shopping sprees. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Imagine you're eyeing a new pair of headphones. With PayPal, you'd simply choose it as your payment method at checkout, assuming the store accepts it. The money would come straight out of your linked account, just like using a regular debit or credit card. With ZipPay, things play out differently. You'd need to have a ZipPay account set up with a spending limit approved beforehand. At checkout, you'd choose ZipPay as your payment option, and they'd handle the cost up front. Then, you'd pay ZipPay back according to their repayment schedule. Here's where things get interesting. PayPal actually has its own version of a buy now pay later service called Pay in 4. It lets you split purchases into 4 interest-free installments, similar to ZipPay. So, there's some overlap between the two. But there are still some distinctions. For instance, ZipPay's spending limits can be higher than what PayPal offers with Pay in 4. Additionally, ZipPay might be accepted at stores where PayPal isn't available for buy now pay later transactions. Now, let's talk about fees. Generally, both services are free to use as long as you make your repayments on time. However, ZipPay does charge late fees if you miss a payment, while PayPal doesn't, although they might restrict your account. So, responsible spending is key with both. Choosing between ZipPay and PayPal depends on your needs. If you just want a convenient way to pay online and avoid pulling out your cards every time, PayPal's your friend. Need to split a bigger purchase into manageable chunks? ZipPay might be a better fit. Of course, some stores might only accept one or the other, so that can factor into your decision too. In the end, there's no single winner here. Both ZipPay and PayPal offer valuable tools for managing your online finances. The best option for you depends on your personal shopping habits and financial goals. Do your research, compare features, and pick the one that best suits your style. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy shopping.